Datalogic offers a complete solution to manufacturing needs. We offer sensors, safety, barcode readers, vision systems, laser markers, and even mobile computers. We have over 9,000 parts in our sensor catalog. We have sensors for detection, measurement, and also qualification. Whatever your application is, we probably have the sensor that's right for you. We offer 10 different families of safety products, both in light curtains and in safety area scanners. We have one of the widest selections of barcode readers available, with laser line scan, imager-based, and also industrial handhelds. Datalogic also offers a full line of vision systems, with smart sensors, smart cameras, and full vision processors. We also offer a complete line of laser markers with the ability to mark any material or surface. We offer a complete line of mobile computer products, handheld, vehicle mount, and tablet. So when you're thinking about products for your manufacturing needs, think Datalogic. We have products to fit every application.